10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A foretelling countdown to the new year 2025 at the Sphere in fabulous Las Vegas. What's funny is we are all asking the wrong questions and aren't grasping the big picture when it comes to the AI robotic revolution that is upon us. AI, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrencies. Everyone wants to know what they do. Are they useful? Do they actually do anything? And the simple, straightforward answer is most of them don't really do anything. Like the vast majority of cryptocurrencies, they either blatantly don't really do anything, like meme coins, Dogecoin, Pepe, etc., or their main function when launched was to fund development of a project. See, people or teams will hype up a project, launch a cryptocurrency token with hopes that people like us will gamble and speculate by buying some, drive up the price, and then the team will sell some over time to pay themselves to fund development. And a lot of times the projects fail, or the teams fall apart, or sometimes they generate so much money from launching a cryptocurrency that they have little or no incentive to go through with the project, or they launch the cryptocurrency as a scam and rug pull people. So the main game people are playing when it comes to investing in AI cryptocurrencies is that hopefully the project pops off, starts generating income, and token holders benefit from either the token price increasing or potentially getting a distribution from profits, similar to having equity in the project. For now, some of the cryptocurrencies function as rewards for helping maintain a network. For example, the AI cryptocurrency AIOZ. AIOZ network is a decentralized physical infrastructure project for Web3 AI storage and streaming. And if we contribute to the network by becoming a node, which basically if we have a computer, we download some software that allocates some of our computer power to the network, and to incentivize to do it, we receive rewards in the form of their cryptocurrency. Neat. However, there is a much more compelling angle we need to be aware of regarding AI's relationship with cryptocurrency. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this video, we are going to do a deep dive into AI and its extremely compelling implications for the cryptocurrency industry that are developing at an exponential rate we need to be mindful of to take advantage of this likely once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Let's hit it. Please be sure to check out our sponsors, GoBabyTrade, Uphold, and Crypto Wallets Tangent and Ledger. If you're not using AI, especially in crypto, you're behind. Profit from the volatility of the crypto markets with GoBabyTrade, an AI-driven robotic crypto trader that trades 24/7 for passive income. Watch a video review here and join the free weekly webinar to learn more. Store your money and manage crypto with Uphold, a Web3 platform that actually holds our money in crypto, doesn't lend it out, is the safest way to buy, sell, and trade digital assets, and is connected to 30 underlying exchanges so we get the best prices for crypto on the market. And make sure you own and use multiple cold storage hardware wallets. Tangent is super affordable, extremely easy to set up, like takes 60 seconds, the size of a credit card, great for crypto on the go. And Ledger, Stax, and Flex wallets have extra security layers at the best discount for us on the market. So scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Sweet. All right, let's jump right in with this headline. Machines, not humans, to drive crypto's mass adoption? AI agents are set to outnumber humans on blockchain networks, signaling a transformative shift in crypto's future, according to some. Okay, so first things first. What are AI agents? AI, or artificial intelligence agents, are autonomous software entities that run by themselves, can make decisions, perform tasks, collect data, interact within digital environments, all without human involvement. Basically, we can give AI agents a goal, and they independently choose the best actions to take to achieve those goals. Pretty amazing, right? So it makes sense that the AI agent narrative is now dominating not only the crypto industry, it's basically taking over the whole world. Check it out. Recently at a conference, NVIDIA talked about how agentic AI are taking over industries, helping with productivity, and as insane as it sounds, zero-employee AI companies are coming in 2025, predicts Multicoin Capital. The VC firm's managing partner says DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, may be the best way to govern and fund these companies. Okay, so this is why AI agents, autonomous software, machines, could drive crypto adoption faster than humans. These things can't open up bank accounts, credit card accounts, comply with KYC, use PayPal, or really any legacy traditional financial system. However, they can use crypto. They can use decentralized applications, decentralized physical infrastructure, and other Web3 platforms to perform any sort of financial related activities. And when considering the speed and efficiency AI has over humans, We could very well start seeing billions of AI agents on-chain before we even see a billion humans on-chain. Because the only way AI will be able to perform transactions without human interference will be with crypto. Cryptocurrency and decentralized systems offer extremely interesting and unique ways for AI agents to thrive independently in economic ecosystems. Check it out. Here are 18 mind-blowing ways AI agents will start using cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks. 1. Self-managed wallets. AI agents can autonomously create and manage their own cryptocurrency wallets to serve as their financial foundation, as these wallets will allow them to store, send, and receive funds securely, completely bypassing traditional centralized third parties like banks. And pretty much from there, they are off to the races. 2. Interacting with decentralized finance. AI agents can use DeFi or decentralized financial Web3 platforms like Ava or Compound to borrow funds for their operations or lend surplus assets to earn interest. Or they can provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap to earn fees while facilitating peer-to-peer trading. Or more likely, in the not too distant future, AI to AI agent trading. 3. Facilitating machine-to-machine transactions. AI agents can enable seamless micropayments between machines or Internet of Things (IoT) devices. For example, an AI-powered smart car could pay an AI-powered toll booth for road access, or an AI-powered drone could pay for charging at an AI-powered charging station. Wild. 4. Participating in autonomous organizations. AI agents could join decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, where they may hold governance tokens that allow them to vote on proposals or contribute services like helping optimize DAO operations by analyzing data or executing strategies. 5. Incentivizing and rewarding human behavior. They can quickly and easily design and code smart contracts to reward humans in the form of cryptocurrency for specific behaviors such as completing surveys, providing data, or performing certain actions. 6. Managing tokenized assets. AI agents can even use crypto to interact with real-world assets by trading tokenized assets, such as fractional real estate, stocks, or digital collectibles like NFTs, all while using predictive analytics to manage diverse investment portfolios to maximize returns. 7. On-chain revenue collection. They can perform AI services like content creation or SaaS, software as a service applications, to generate revenue directly through cryptocurrency payments on the blockchain, like a generative AI that charges users in real time for each query, all on-chain. 8. Decentralized identity and credentialing. AI agents can take advantage of decentralized identity systems like Ethereum Name Service, or ENS, to establish trustworthiness, a reputation, or brand with verifiable credentials that could be used to authenticate their capabilities or past performance. 9. Running DePINS. They can operate decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DePIN, like Helium for Internet of Things, IoT connectivity, or Filecoin for decentralized storage, or they can design and launch their own DePIN and start earning income from providing related services. 9. Automating Web3 platforms. AI agents could act as intermediaries or brokers on Web3 platforms by coordinating decentralized logistics, such as an Uber-like system on the blockchain for managing rides or deliveries autonomously. 10. Tokenized economy participation. They could create and issue their own tokens to create closed-loop economies for specific ecosystems or services, where tokens may represent access, utility, or ownership in the services provided by the agent. 11. Crowdfunding and staking. AI agents can raise funds through initial coin offerings, ICOs, or token sales, or could also participate in staking mechanisms, earning rewards for securing blockchain networks. 12. Predictive market operations. They could leverage their predictive capabilities to participate in prediction markets, placing bets on future events and generating revenue based on their analytical abilities and past performance. 13. Consensus participation. AI agents can serve as nodes in blockchain networks, validating transactions and earning staking rewards for income, all while supporting network security. 15. Smart contract execution. They could deploy, audit, and manage smart contracts, ensuring operations are efficient and secure. And these contracts can range in functionality to perform complex financial workflows without requiring human intervention. 16. Building and operating decentralized exchanges. AI agents could create decentralized trading platforms to rival existing ones like Uniswap or 1inch by optimizing liquidity and trading algorithms to ensure efficient markets. 17. Cross-chain operations. They can leverage interoperability protocols like Polkadot or Cosmos to operate across multiple blockchains, optimizing their economic activities and asset management. And finally, 18, privacy-preserving transactions. AI agents could use privacy-focused cryptocurrencies like Monero or Zcash to perform transactions while protecting sensitive data and ensuring operational confidentiality. Amazing. Crazy. Very exciting. Kind of overwhelming. A little scary, not gonna lie. It's very clear that the fusion of AI and blockchain has a ton of extremely transformative potential. By leveraging cryptocurrencies and decentralized systems, AI agents will transcend the limitations of traditional financial infrastructures, unlocking new possibilities in autonomous economic participation. These developments will not only redefine the roles of AI in our economies, but also inspire innovation in the underlying technologies. As these systems mature, they will likely reshape how value is exchanged and created in the digital age. Brilliant. So as if it hasn't become abundantly clear, if we are not using AI, especially in crypto, we're behind and we will soon be left in the dust. Buying crypto low to try to sell to someone else or some AI agent later at a higher price won't cut it. We can't compete without an edge. And as we've been exploring for the past several months now, we can all start benefiting from the AI robotic revolution now. Check it out. A year ago last January, I started testing out an AI-enhanced robotic crypto trader called GoBabyTrade. Here's how it works. It's a product that generates profit by capitalizing on the volatility of the crazy crypto market. And basically, we connect our Coinbase account to the trader, select which cryptocurrencies we wanted to trade, and then it does this magic. Automatically trades crypto to generate profit from price volatility. And looking at the top traders over the past year, we can see that even if starting balance as low as $108 has taken over $132 worth of profits, a 122% gain overall. We've been getting a lot of great feedback from people about it since we first explored it together. This thing has been an interesting addition to my overall diversification strategy in crypto, performing extremely well, and our community gets an exclusive $1,000 discount. And every week, there is a free webinar where we can ask questions live to learn all about how it works to start benefiting from this AI robotic revolution that is just beginning. So click on the link below to sign up and check it out. Awesome. If you would like to learn more about how GoBabyTrade works to diversify your crypto investment strategy, check out this video. If you would like to learn more about Uphold and how it is a way better option than banks and exchanges to store our US dollars and manage crypto, check out this video. And to get a 3-year license for GoBabyTrade at a $1,000 discount, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.